Watch this video and you'll learn how to handle a girl who suddenly becomes distant. Dealing with a girl who suddenly acts cold is tricky, meaning it's a little bit easy, but also difficult. To make your dating process go smoothly and move on to the next level, you need to be good at reading the situation, bro. Understand this first. When a girl suddenly disappears or becomes distant with you, you might wonder, why is she suddenly cold? The first thing you need to understand is that this is a normal thing, bro. Don't panic, relax. This is part of the process you have to go through to win the heart of the girl you desire. Let's be realistic, bro. Anyone can easily approach and get to know a new girl just by sending a DM on Instagram, WhatsApp number, or Twitter. You can interact with anyone as easily as tapping your thumb on your phone screen. Don't get emotional or jealous. Once you understand this, you shouldn't get emotional or jealous, bro. Think about the possibility that she might be getting to know other guys too. Especially if the girl you're after is attractive, there are probably other guys approaching her behind your back. The point is, before you both officially become a couple, anyone is free to get close to anyone. So, it's normal, bro. After all, it's still the dating phase. For those of you secretly feeling down, I have some smart tips on how to handle a girl who suddenly acts distant. So don't panic anymore, bro. Keep watching this video until the end, and you'll know how to handle a girl who suddenly becomes cold toward you. Steps to handle a girl who suddenly becomes cold. Don't panic and evaluate yourself. Don't panic or freak out when your girl suddenly becomes distant or withdraws. As a guy, you have pride that you need to maintain. The first rule is, don't let her know that you're panicking because of her change in behavior. Instead of panicking uncontrollably and letting your thoughts wander, focus on improving your own quality, bro. Evaluate slowly whether her change in attitude has something to do with your actions recently. Think again, bro. Did you say something wrong or do something that might have made her uncomfortable or offended? If you did, don't hesitate to ask her and apologize directly, bro. Maybe she's genuinely upset with your behavior, and knowing how to handle a girl who's acting cold can actually raise your status in her eyes. You'll appear as a gentleman and someone responsible. Create some space and give her time alone. Whatever happens, stay cool. Bombarding her with hundreds of texts on WhatsApp will only make things worse. She might actually end up getting more turned off by you. Quickly understand the situation and create some distance between you two. Don't text her nonstop, bro. Gradually reduce the intensity of your messages. Give her some time alone to calm down. Understand this, bro. Her change in behavior definitely has a reason. She might be dealing with serious family problems, busy with schoolwork, or stressed about final exams. Instead of pushing her and making her even more frustrated with your drama, it's better to just pause for a moment, bro, and observe the situation carefully. Show your attention elegantly. When you can't hold back your feelings of longing and anxiety, and she suddenly becomes cold, there's nothing wrong with showing your attention. Ask her how she's doing through a short text or call, but don't text her constantly, bro. Just once is enough. If her response is flat, or if she doesn't reply at all, let it be. Don't force it, but make sure she knows that you're always there for her. A simple phrase like, "I'm here for you," can be your weapon to melt her heart, bro. Bear. Play the push and pull game. If she remains cold and distant, the push and pull technique can also be a way to handle a girl who's suddenly pulling away. You can use this trick to see her reaction and analyze her true feelings. When you suddenly disappear, does she stay cold, or does she start looking for you when you're not around? If her reaction is to look for you, there's a big chance she has deeper feelings for you. But if her response is still cold, she might actually be bored and no longer interested in you. If that's the case, it might be time for you to move on. Ask her directly why she's acting cold. Instead of stressing yourself out and overthinking, it's better to be direct, bro. Approach her and ask her directly about the change in her behavior. This could be a way to handle a girl who suddenly acts cold. By doing this, you can get a direct answer about the situation. No drama, and it saves you time. Introspect and reflect on yourself. Once you know the reason why she's suddenly acting cold, you can reflect and introspect. Is it truly your fault? Even if things don't work out and you don't end up with her, at least you can become a better person in the future. 7. Decide whether to stay or move on. After knowing the reason for her change in behavior, the decision is in your hands, bro. If the reason is related to personal problems, then it's okay to stay and help her through this difficult time. But if the reason is that she's bored or no longer has feelings for you, then you can step back, move on, and find another girl. Life is too short to be stuck in prolonged confusion, bro. There are plenty of amazing girls out there who you will meet, and you might even find someone better than her. Thanks for watching this video until the end. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you think this video is helpful, feel free to share it. Stay cool, bro. Keep up the good work.